Well, good morning, everybody. I think, we see all the affiliates. Sometimes we don't know what they're doing. Since I'm the affiliate chair this year, I'm going to make it a little different. Let every affiliate participate, lead a program, instead of the affiliate chair doing everything, because I'm lazy. No. First of all, I've been in the business for 30 years. I got into it in 1981, and somebody mentioned, Nancy Hunt mentioned Purple Lady. I took over Cal County's, Margie Zerka's position at Cal County's, and those shoes were so big. They were very difficult to fit. But she was nice enough, even when she was at home, she gave me a pep talk and gave me some insights of what I need to do. And she told me, always follow your heart, be professional, have integrity, don't do anything that you'll regret later, because you got to run into those people again. And make friends everywhere you go. And those are the words I try to live by. Business is very important to all the affiliates. But your friendship and support means a lot. So I know some of you have your loyalty somewhere else, but the affiliates that come in every week for the last how many years are the one that I think, like Mark says, that we should help them with their business, so they don't feel frustrated when they leave here. Sometimes I get this. Affiliate will come to me, well, why should I come? I don't get any business. And it's very hard for me to give them an answer. So I would say, you know what, I've been coming here, I don't get all the business, but the friendships are so much more important. Maybe they can't give you business, but their endorsement out there also will bring you business. But it's coming here that trained me how to be persistent, consistent, and I love all of you, and I'm still here. I'm with Lawyers Title Nancy Chan. Thank you.
Previously, it was the Home Inspection Company. I'm here at this association since 2004. This is my first association, and I appreciate everybody. There are people like Carl and Seal who used me when I was a green guy. I didn't know much about home inspection. Now I know a little bit more. My background is building engineering, so that's how it happened. I really appreciate all of you and your friendship, and thank you very much.
All right. Small shop here in Alhambra. Been a member of this business I've been a member of this board for about 13 years. It took me that long to get this button, affiliate of the year. And I'd like to tell you about dealing with a small shop as opposed to the big guys. Whenever your client comes in or has a question about his loan, he has to remember what his loan number is. Well, when you call our shop, just by the sound of their voice, we know who they are. We know where the status of their loan is. We are a bread and butter shop. We do FHA, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, VA, we do all those standard loans, but we also have a couple of other niches too. We do asset-based lending. We do things like, how many of you people have clients that have great CPAs and it doesn't look like they make very much money? You know they can buy the house, but on paper it doesn't look good. Well, asset-based lending will take care of that. Give me a call. Okay, also we have a program where we can help how many of you have clients that have 4 or more finance properties and they want to pick up another one, but because they have over 4 finance properties, they can't get a loan? Thanks. Okay, we have that program. Thank you.
Anna too from Viva Escrow in San Marino. I've been in this business since 1977, and I remember Margie Zerker. So anyway, I wanted to let you know that we have, I am a part of the Escrow Association, and we are your partners in real estate. So I want you to remember us, the Escrow Association. When you go to escrow, if you have questions, let one of your escrow officers know, and as a part of the Escrow Association, we're here to back you all up. I have REO accounts, I do commercial lending, commercial loan refinancing, I do residential, I do all sorts of little things. And been in this for a very long time. And if you need to talk to your company on various escrow issues, please let me know. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here this morning.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Chris Hahn, also with Jam Mortgage. Ruben and I have worked together for probably about 8 years or so. This is my 22nd year in the business. I started in 1990, so it's been quite a while. I've seen quite a few cycles of business, and this is one of the rougher ones that we've been through, I think, similar maybe to the early 90s, but maybe even a little bit worse, because lending has gotten affected so badly. But I specialize in residential lending. Primarily first-time buyers is my specialty, but anything that's residential 1 to 4 is what I focus on. I do not do commercial, although we have ability to. I want to focus on what I do best and what I know how to do. I think we're in a market today where if you're working with a lender, you need to know that the lender knows what they're doing. We're in a market where you almost have to, as a lender, be able to just navigate the system. You have to be able to look ahead and foresee what an underwriter is going to ask for and fix those problems. So I hope I get an opportunity to work with you. I've worked with many of you in the past. Thank you so much.
Of Investor's Title. Yes, Investor's Title. I'm so excited. As of Monday morning, I have joined the Investors Title Company family, and I'm so happy and excited. I started the business actually this October will be 30 years. Wow. 30. And I have real estate in my blood. I sold real estate for 4 years. I am so excited, so happy. In October, I'll start my 26th year in title. And I just made this move. I'm so excited. I had an opportunity and a slight promotion, and I said, you know, after 30 years, it's time to spread my wings and go for it. And so I'm so excited. I'm committed to continue to give the hard work and effort working on your files, and I hope I can continue to earn your business and your trust. Thank you very much.
My name is Alina Chu from American Trust Escrow. I started the business before Yolanda and before Nancy. I've been doing that, but I guess I've been doing that for over 30 years, I believe. So I just want to let you know that I've been stationed mostly in the Alhambra office, but recently I moved to the San Marino office to serve you all. So this is the new year, so let's make it a wonderful year.
Good morning. My name is Ruby Tang from American Trust in Pasadena. I've been in the business for 19 years. I'm actually from Costa Rica. I speak Spanish and Chinese. I'm here to work with you and for you. Happy New Year.
Hi, my name is Mitchell Ng. I'm a relationship manager for Citizens Business Bank. In fact, I've been in banking for 24 years. I used to be at Home Savings of America, and I know Mel Wong, Esther Johnson for 24 years now, and I became their branch manager. But I'm currently with Citizens Business Bank on Las Tunas and Del Mar in San Gabriel. If anybody is interested in visiting, drop by. I'll teach you everything about commercial lending. I'm also serving as the Vice Mayor of the City of Monterey Park, so you probably recognize me. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Oriana Chan with Wells Fargo Home Mortgage in Alhambra. I've been in the business since 1990s. And I first worked for Countrywide and B of A, now Wells Fargo. And I specialize in residential lending, first-time home buyers. We have all the programs, the FHA programs, the City of Alhambra programs, the Home Path, and we have a new program, which is the Non-Conforming Doctors Program. And that's it. Thank you.
Kong Financial Services. It's very easy to remember, KONG Financial.com. I'm a non-traditional affiliate. I'm an independent financial planner, and I help a lot of realtors and their clients with their financial planning needs. One thing that I specialize in is alternative investments. I do a lot of real estate. In fact, I just came back from a big real estate conference, and they're buying healthcare office right now for 9 to 10% cap rates. And for as low as $1,000, you can buy that type of real estate inside your IRAs and for your clients. I work with a lot of realtors guaranteeing a pension for life if they want to retire early, disability insurance. The whole menu is actually outside in the hallway, so take a look. Have a good day. Thanks.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Peggy Lee from Central Escrow. We have 6 different offices covering all of LA and Orange County. So if you need any help with escrow, please let me know. And I have plenty full of escrow officers to answer all your questions with your patience and knowledge. Most of them have been in business even before I was born. So they can answer all of your questions regarding your escrow needs. One of our motto is centering around all your escrow needs. So please let me know.
How old are you, Peggy?
The moderator, they can do whatever they want.
Good morning. I'm Leticia Pomes. I'm a business owner. I own an insurance agency in Temple City for 26 years on Las Tunas. And I'm going to let you be a little fly on the wall and know what I do all day. And that is, I'll give you a little glimpse.
Let's say somebody bought a car, they want to add it to their policy, or they sold it and I need to remove it, or somebody bought a house and needs new insurance, well, they're going to call me. Or maybe they sold their house, they're going to go rent somewhere, so they need a renter's policy. Maybe they kept their house and they need to be a landlord now. That's what I do, a landlord's policy. So there's all kinds of things I do. Some people want to plan for the future with a life insurance policy, maybe just to cover their mortgage 30 years, or maybe forever, for 100 years old or more. So I can help with that. Some people are between their jobs and they need a health plan. So they call me and they say, I need something just temporarily, or I need a new plan. So I help with all kinds of things, whether individually or in small group. Some people buy a business. I do business insurance for you. Some people, that's it. Okay, I do a lot of stuff, so just ask me, I got it all. Thanks.
Wes, natural hazard disclosures. It is so great to see everybody starting off a great 2012. I just want to let you know a little bit about us. We provide the NHD and tax reports for $89.95. Natural hazard disclosure reports are required on all sale of real property in California. The commercial report is only $80. That's 5 or more units or commercial properties. We also have the CLUE report. It's a 5-year history of insurance claims. It is not mandatory, but it is recommended. This way you don't have any snafus when you get into escrow. Also, you can order the reports on your listing, risk-free, no charge unless it closes, no extra charge to pay through escrow. We also have special pricing for REOs, $79.95. And I love being a part of the West San Gabriel Association of Realtor Family. And I'm here. I'm only a phone call or email away. Thank you for your support. Let's have a great 2012.
With Tiger Title. I do title insurance, obviously, and I'm actually a sales manager for them as well, so a lot more leverage for you guys when it comes to taking care of deals. I've been in the business since I was actually 16. It's been a long way. So I've seen the escrow side of it, I've seen the real estate side of it, and I'm very deeply involved in the title side. So a lot of things that we do, we're a nationwide company. We actually handle every state possible. Everything is in-house, our processing, our plant. So if you need a prelim and you need it a rush and you say, Angie, I really need it. It's like, okay, no problem. Call my guys, put the file up, and it's taken care of. Things like that I have a lot of leverage in doing. We have short sale specialists as well. We do commercial, we do subdivision. We do pretty much everything for title because we're one of the top 5 title companies. So with me, you're in good hands. Angie Tang, Tiger Title, the assurance you need in title insurance. Thank you.
Hi guys. I'm amazed at how I'm doing the math on how old everybody is. I'm amazed at how good everybody looks. Ron Mukai, I'm an attorney, Beverly Hills Law Associates. We have 2 offices, one in East LA and one in Beverly Hills. We do loan modifications, bankruptcy, debt settlement, business litigation, including suing banks. I wanted to talk about a couple of things. One is we give free consultations. And if you have a client that has any questions or you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. Because the first point I want to make, if your client is contemplating short sale, getting an attorney involved early is critical because it does 2 things. It sets realistic client expectations and it protects you from giving unauthorized legal advice. The second thing is on a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, get us involved early because if you file a phony bankruptcy without a plan, it does a disservice to the client and it could set you up for liability. Again, Ron, with that happy news, have a good 2012. Ron Mukai, Beverly Hills Law Associates, thanks.
Good morning, this is Bob Chu with Champion Escrow. I've been in the business for 6 years. I've never touched an escrow file until it's closed. That's pretty amazing, right? I mean, I handle everything that's in the background. I deal with audits, I deal with trust account, all that other stuff. Everything except opening escrow. But I do have a great team of people that can help you. If you need estimates, if you need any questions, answers, we're here. Look me up, Champion Escrow, Bob Chu. Thank you.
My name is Vanessa James. I'm with Central Escrow in Monterey Park. As Peggy said, we do have 6 offices. I started in the escrow business about almost 11 years now. I started at the front desk, and then within 2 months I was a receptionist, and I became an escrow officer. And just recently I was voted to be one of the directors of the Escrow Association of the San Gabriel Valley. So I will be updating you every month about any new laws that come about and inviting you to all our dinner meetings, of course. Our next one is going to be on January the 19th, and it's on the legal topics of 2012 and short sale affidavits and all that. I have some flyers for you. Including this, I'm part of Toastmasters, which will help me improve my communication skills here. I was recently also elected to be their president, so you should see me becoming more comfortable up in front of the stage here. And then on top of that, we will be having a lot of special events for you this year with West San Gabriel Board. Our next one's going to be on the 26th, which I'm sure you will all be here. It's our first event of the year, and that's on the Chinese New Year. So look forward to helping plan all these events with you. And if any of you know, even though I'm involved in these things, I try to get those estimates to you out right away. You can always reach me on my cell phone. My emails are, go to my cell phone, so I can always be on top of your files. So I look forward to working with all of you. Thank you.
Welcome on Wells Fargo San Gabriel. I'm kind of copying Oriana's speech earlier. I came from Countrywide, and then now I'm over here at Wells Fargo. So what I usually deal with is first-time home buyers, refinances, anything that has to do with residential mortgage. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'm always here. My number's on the business card, available 24/7. Thank you.
I feel underdressed here. Everyone's so nice and suit and stuff. Okay, my name is Joe Wayne. I'm a State Farm agent, and we just recently opened our office in City of Alhambra just a week ago, to be exact. So we really appreciate any business, any info you can give us. We really appreciate it. What I do every day may not feel extraordinary, and when I know my team and I do our jobs right, day in and day out, people are better protected, and when they need us the most, we will be by their side to fulfill our promises, and that will be the best feeling in the world for us. So we do our job right, and we strive to provide the best service. May not be the best price, but the service, as everyone here knows, that State Farm is known for our service. So, and thank you very much for listening. Thank you.
Moyes from Alhambra. I have started in escrow. This will be my 33rd year. I am not very good at speaking in front of people. I'm very nervous, but I'm a very good escrow officer. Escrow is in my blood. I just love doing escrow, and I'm very blessed that I'm in a field that I enjoy doing, and I enjoy talking to people and servicing people. That's just what I do best. Thank you very much, and you have a happy, wonderful New Year.
Everyone, I think for most of you, my face is pretty new for you guys, and I'm working with Wells Fargo. As you may know, Wells Fargo is a mortgage bank that serves mortgage industry, real estate industry for over 100 years, and we provide varied residential loan programs. We have FHA, conventional, non-conventional. As you may know, we have a very special program that is lender pay mortgage insurance program. Just let me know if any of you need any help on a loan. That my name is Michelle with Wells Fargo. Thank you. Happy New Year.
My name is May, and I'm with Wells Fargo's Business Banking Group. My focus is commercial lending, and as I'm not sure if most of you might know that Wells Fargo was the #1 SBA lender last year, and was also rated #1 for customer experience. And what we do is we want to make sure that we provide the most excellent service to all our customers and be able to help them succeed financially. You don't have to come to us if you have a need for commercial lending, or if you have any of your clients that have a need. You can let me know, and I will go to them to just provide a convenience for them and give them peace of mind. And along with what our promotion is right now is our BREF promotion. I mentioned this last week, but I want to remind everybody again that it does end on January 31st. Any commercial, basically, building lending, it's a business refinance. You can actually get the line of credit, or you can just refinance. You can buy a new purchase. That ends at the end of January 31st, and its maximum amount is up to $500,000 in loans. So it's not the purchase price, it's just a loan. And all the fees are waived, so including escrow, title, appraisal, and even loan fees. So if any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. My name is May from Wells Fargo Bank for Business Banking. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. My name is David Tran. I'm representing a company called Buyers Protection Group. But before I do that, I do wear many hats. You notice? Yes. Yes. And the first hat is, of course, I represent this company called Buyers Protection Group, and we provide, obviously, home warranty, home inspection, and natural hazard disclosure reports. But other than that, my second hat is, I'm the sergeant at arms of this association. I do have an official badge. That means I can officially charge you $5 when your phone rings. So I'm the good guy and the bad guy at the same time. And also, I have another hat. It's called the I'm no longer the affiliate chair because Nancy Chen took my hat away. But I appreciate that. But like I said, that I'm also in the business of selling get-rich-quick legally tickets. So if you want to get rich quick legally, buy a ticket for me. But thank you very much, and have a wonderful year. Thank you.
Anyways, my name is Marco. I'm both the owner of my agency and the janitor. I have an Allstate agency here in San Gabriel. Again, 23 years in business, but it's been great supporting all you guys. I try to give back a lot to your industry by also doing training and educational sessions. But I also do many things besides just homeowner, renters, HO6 policies, commercial, life, IRAs, 401k, medical, you name it, we almost do it, commercial. So, but been in the industry, graduate of Cal Poly Pomona right here locally, and so we're just excited to again have such a fine group of affiliates here. Again, Nancy, I know one of Nancy's desires and goals for this year is to get you folks to support the affiliates as well as the affiliates to give back and support you folks. So give back to those that are part of your board, because these are the people that are here week in, week out, doing a lot of the events for you, oftentimes free of charge to you, but they put in blood, sweat, and gifts, all right? A couple of our affiliates decided to donate something. So